Well, it's not just a busy day for snowplows. You probably noticed a lot of neighbors out shoveling and snow blowing driveways and sidewalks. KELOLAND's Kelly Volk catches up with a few people digging out of this latest snowfall.
Jim Wood is getting a winter workout.
Gotta get it done.
The half-foot of fresh snow means there's plenty of work for the Sioux Falls resident and others who are in cleanup mode. People digging out today are dealing with a heavy, wet snow. It's causing problems for Wood's snowblower.
Since it's all wet, it's freezing up inside that thing. And
Kevin Colliner is on snow duty today, too. Even as he cleans up after a wintry blast, he's keeping his spirits high.
Spring's coming, so it's optimism, I guess, that this is going to be the last time I have to use this machine, so we'll see.
At least he hopes that's the case.
I probably just jinxed it by saying that.
Yeah. You think your days of shoveling and snow blowing are over for the winter?
no, it's March.
Which means there may be more work ahead for him as we wait for spring-like weather. In Sioux Falls, Kelly Volk, KELOLAND News.